Hello, and welcome to today's episode of Calendar, but mostly Number Talk. It is Monday, April 20th, 2020. Can you believe it's already almost the end of April? This has been so much fun learning with you every morning. So get your pencils ready and let's write today's date. Monday, April 20th, 2020. Go ahead. April 20th, comma, 2020. Or 4-20-20. 4-20-2020. What? Do you see this? 20, 20, and 20. What a weird day this must be. Now, our number of the day is 14. So when you're ready, let's start breaking apart the number 14 and see how many ways we can show it. Put 14 in the center of your paper. 14. 1, 4, circle it. Now, draw those 10 frames. That's right, I said frames. 2, we need 2 10 frames to make sure we can fit all 14 of our dots. Now, draw those 10 frames. As you're drawing, think about how much you'll be able to fill in your 10 frames. How many groups of 10 are we going to have? Well, let's draw our dots and see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One group of 10. 11, 12, 13, 14. We are slowly making our way to filling that second 10 frame. Eventually, we'll have 2 groups of 10. Now, let's separate our 14 into 10s and 1s. Draw your 10s and 1s chart. Now, you should always remember that your 10s and 1s chart is just separating these 2 numbers to show how many 10s and how many 1s. Well, I can prove over here I have 1 full group of 10. So I have 1 10. And how many 1s? How many were left over? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 left over. And I know that that's right because this looks exactly like my original number, except for I broke it into different pieces. Let's draw our tallies next. We're getting so close to closing that third set of tallies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh man, I'm short. By how many? I have 4. How many more do I need to cross that next set? We'll find out tomorrow because I think tomorrow might be the special day. Now let's write 14. The cool thing about 14 is all you're doing is writing 14. Now, let's see what we can add up to make this big number 14. All right, here we go. I always start with 0 because I'm a smart kid. You should too. 0 plus 14 equals 14. 14 plus 0 equals 14. Now I wrote kind of big today, so I'm going to go ahead and draw in my Get Crazy section. And if you have more room up top, you can write it there or you can write it down here. We're going to have plenty of problems today. 14 is a pretty big number. So I did 0. Now I can move to 1. 1 plus something equals 14. 1 plus something equals 14. Now, remember when I told you that there's a secret that you can use? That you could start with 14 and take away 1 to find this answer? Well, what comes right before 14? 13. So 1 plus 13 equals 14. 13 plus 1 equals 14. And I'm a smart kid, so I always just double check my work to make sure I got it right. 13 plus one more, 14. Easy. Now I've done my ones, let's go to 2. 2 plus something equals 14. Well, what's 14? Take away 2. 14, 13, 12. I counted backwards 2 numbers. 2 plus 12 equals 14. 12 plus 2 equals 14. Double check. 12, 13, 14. That's exactly right. All right, let's go on to 3. 3 plus something equals 14. You know the drill. Take away 3. Count backwards. 14, 13, 12, 11. 13 plus 11 equals 14. 11 plus 3 equals 14. Now I'll do one more, but then you better go get crazy and see how many more you can do. I know a doubles fact that equals 14. Do you? Make sure you can figure that one out. One more and then I'll set you free. We've got 4. We're on 4. 4 plus something equals 14. Y'all, check out that ones place. I have 4 and I take away 4. What do I end up with? 4 plus 10 equals 14. Or 10 plus 4 equals 14. Boom! You go get crazy and you better find out that doubles fact that equals 14. Good luck!